Hi guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day. Look at this, sun is coming out finally. It's early. I want to give you guys a little update of the garden. My dog ate one of my collard greens. Today I'm doing a little treatment with magnesium because they look like they need it. You see how the collard greens are looking a little pale. That means they need some magnesium. So I'm using Epsom salt. And this is the watermelon plant. So I'm gonna put watermelon plant Epsom salt on it too. I probably would do a little treatment of Epsom salt in the corn as well. We filled up those beds. I'm making over there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna be making one bed for the herbs, and it's gonna stay out of the sun, or at least out of the 12-hour sun. In Florida is very hot and very brutal. So this is a little update on the carrots. There's nothing coming out yet. I planted little flowers there. The tomato plants are doing really well. I'm gonna give them some magnesium as well. That one is looking great. Look at that one. It has almost double the size already in less than a week. The corn is doing really well as well. I see some onions coming out. I planted onion next to the corn, so I see some onions coming out. We do have a lot of weeds on this garden bed because this one, it's not protected from the weeds. And that one we're gonna plant more corn because I have more corn, and I'm gonna put that one together. And then the passion fruit is doing well. I'm gonna do a little treatment with magnesium as well, but it's doing well. It's growing. You see how it is. So thanks guys for watching. Keep up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and thank you so much. Bye bye.